The lost workers in this labor shortage.
Backlog of cargo ships waiting to get into the ports of Los Angeles and Long Beach.
The armies, the legions of Hasatan, Satan, are crawling into every crevice, into every corner of society. For the most part, they're invisible and unseen. They exist right beneath the range of our sight. But if you take a close look at the culture, you can clearly see the residual after effects of their presence.
The rot and decay
Babylon the Great is fallen,
has now fully encompassed the soul of the people.
It has become the habitation of devils.
They've been handed over.
We must keep our eyes open. Vigilance and discernment keep Satan at bay.
Artificial intelligence, AI, the technology that allows a computer to think like a human.
Welcome to the Church of England.
And there was given unto him a mouth speaking great things and blasphemies.
Inside this church is a robotic prayer companion.
My name is Santo. What brings you here on this beautiful day?
And he opened his mouth in blasphemy against God, to blaspheme his name and his tabernacle, and them that dwell in heaven.
The Vatican has launched a smart rosary bracelet that tracks your prayers. Alexa is linked up with the Church of England.
Alexa, what is God? Christians believe that God is the source of all being.
So what we found, talking to people from different faiths, different countries, different continents, is that AI can enrich religion as long as we don't let it replace interaction with humans. But is there a danger that people could place too much faith in artificial intelligence? Or even that science fiction becomes reality and we start worshipping machines?
They worshipped the beast.
I think there's a danger in assuming that artificial intelligence has super agency, that it is in fact making beneficial decisions on our behalf intentionally because it wants to. So we've got to be careful we don't trust AI too soon.
Do you think that is happening though, to some people?
Absolutely. I don't necessarily think that people are having real religious experiences when they say they feel blessed by the algorithm, but it's a way of talking, a metaphor that inherently gives AI supremacy over their lives and their choices.
And that's bad because
sometimes machines give the wrong answer. AI can quite frequently be artificially stupid rather than artificially intelligent.
Most faith communities are only at the beginning of discussing AI and robots. But whether we like it or not, this technology is here to stay. And with many religions contemplating it or developing tools and techniques based on it, it could change the way we worship.
And I saw, as it were, a sea of glass mingled with fire. And them that had gotten the victory over the beast, and over his image, and over his mark, and over the number of his name, stand on the sea of glass, having the harps of God. And they sing the song of Moses, the servant of God, and the song of the Lamb, saying, Great and marvelous are thy works, Lord God Almighty. Just and true are thy ways, thou King of saints.